Hi there, this is Gary from Trotec Australia. Well, here today to talk to you about what's in the box, what do I get with our Trotec T3000 Expert Kit, and what available accessories do I have that I can purchase also. So let's have a look what's in the kit. So, we get the T3000. So with the T3000, this multimeter, we can add all of these attachments I'm going to run through. And you also get a silicone case that comes with it. Okay, I'll pop that over here. Now, let's run through some of the things you have with it. You have the ball meter, which is the T660 attachment. Okay, so what it has a connecting cable that connects the actual T660 dielectric meter to the actual T3000. So I can be checking timber, walls, concrete, screeds, grout. So certainly a lot of things that I can do checking with that dielectric meter, down 40 up to 40 mil into the actual materials. So it's also got an in-depth temperature sensor or a surface temperature sensor. So with this surface temperature sensor, you want to make sure the area is nice and smooth and not rough. If it is rough, we can put a little bit of this goo on the end and make it smooth, and then it gets a better conductivity to give you that surface temperature. Fantastic attachment. Okay, you get a high-end, in-depth hygrometer with a very good filter at the end here, so I can go in-depth into walls and into concrete. So and it's got a real fine filter there. Very accurate hygrometer. Okay, also got temperature gun. You've got a multi-laser temperature gun that comes with the T3000 kit to get all your surface temperatures. You've also got the T610 microwave attachment. So this microwave attachment can able to go 20 to 30 centimeters into concrete. So it's a fantastic unit. Now, also you get a hammer probe. And with the hammer probe, I've got 60 mil insulated pins. Now, obviously there's a cable that attaches to the hammer probe. I'll just show you how that works. We pop that in and pop that in, and then that talks back to our meter. And then what we can do with that is the fundamental of how this hammer probe is designed is they're very sharp pins, so they're not breaking as much as some of the other brands that are out there. So very sharp, and it's got a very good slide that the surface area, so the pins aren't bending and breaking as much, so they're longer lasting. You do get a pack of 10 insulated pins that come with your hammer probe. So that's fantastic there. You also get a handheld pin probe. Again, the handheld pin probe, you are able to attach multi-different pins. These are long ones, you've got really tiny short ones, you've got a pack of uninsulated pins that you get with the T3000 Expert Kit. So with that as well, while I'm running through that, I'll come back to the handheld pin probe. We have brush pins where what you can do is when you're putting it into block work and so forth, it picks it up from the edge of the brass brush. So when you slide that in, you get a really good conductivity. So we also have insulated rods. Now these insulated rods are 30 centimeters long, and you can, if you do not get a very good conductivity, especially in block work and so forth, because metal on concrete is not the best, we do have this compound, this mass, this paste that you mix up a little bit of water and we put it in onto the tip to get a better conductivity between the actual probe and the actual concrete itself. So from there, insulated. And we have insulated paddles as well to go behind skirtings and documents and books and so forth, that we can actually check because these are very flat, we can slide them behind that skirting. Fantastic. So what you can also do is with your actual pin probe, what you can do is you can undo, and we have our little brass connection here that we can screw on the end. And with that, what we can do is we undo our insulated rod, pop it on the end here, and with that now we can actually put two together and start to check up higher, okay, or under floor, under kitchens and so forth. So we've got an added advantage of actually putting this together with a handheld pin probe. So, great way to do that. Unscrew this, we'll pop it down here. Now, some of the accessories you can buy on top of the T3000 Expert Kit is we also have the same insulated rods, and these are 60 centimeters. So obviously, just like the other, the cable goes in the end just like so, and obviously talks back to your meter and gives you a wood moisture equivalent. But what we can do with this is to make it smaller so it can fit in your kit and it's transportable. What happens is you can unscrew it in the middle and it breaks in half, and then you can slide that in your kit. We also have uninsulated pins as well, stainless steel uninsulated pins. And we've also got 20 centimeter insulated paddles. And then we've got a calibration block also that you can purchase for your pin meters. So this is a little bit about the T3000 Expert Kit. Nothing like this on the market. Check out the website for further information and our other videos on how the T3000 works. There's an instructional video on how it works, so check that out, and thanks for watching.